If you need to check older edits or restore a previous version of your diagram, Lucidchart makes that pretty simple when your plan includes version history. In this video, I'll show you how to see version history in Lucidchart step by step, so you can review past changes, preview older versions, and restore a file if needed. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open the document you want to check. Make sure you're inside the exact file where you want to view the history, because version history is tied to that specific document. Once the document opens, look at the top menu bar. Click File. This is where Lucidchart keeps document-level options, including revision tools and history features. After clicking File, look for Revision History in the menu and select it. If your account includes this feature, a panel should open showing previous versions of the document. You may see different save states from earlier points in time, which can be very helpful if you want to compare changes or recover content you deleted by accident. To inspect an older version, simply click on it. Lucidchart should let you preview that version, so you can see what the document looked like before the latest edits. If you find the version you want, you may also have the option to restore it, depending on your account permissions and plan. This is a great way to undo major changes without rebuilding your diagram from scratch. Now, there is an important note here. If you click Revision History and Lucidchart asks you to upgrade your plan, that means your current subscription does not include access to version history. In that case, you won't be able to view previous versions unless you move to a plan that supports it. So, if you don't see the panel right away, that upgrade prompt is usually the reason. Also, if you only need to undo something you just did, you may not need revision history at all. For recent changes made during your current editing session, you can use the Undo button, or press Ctrl+Z on Windows, or Command+Z on Mac. That's the fastest way to step backward through your latest edits. Just remember, Undo only works for recent actions, while revision history is what you use when you need to go further back and review earlier saved versions. So the process is really just three main steps. Open your document, go to File, choose Revision History, and then review or restore the version you need. If the feature is available on your plan, this can save you a lot of time and help protect your work from accidental changes. And that's how to see version history in Lucidchart. If this video was useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.